Our country is progressing rapidly in the fields of education and healthcare. Every day, new policies and initiatives are taking India toward greater heights of development. Yet, amid this progress, millions of adolescent girls in our country are still suffering from poor health and malnutrition during the most delicate phase of their lives. Due to inadequate nutrition and lack of proper care, many of them fall victim to illnesses and physical weakness at a very young age. In the absence of health education and accurate information, natural processes like menstruation and sexual and reproductive health become even more painful and challenging experiences for them. As a result, during their menstrual cycles, many girls are forced to stay absent from school. Every absence distances them further from education, and gradually their dreams lose the chance to soar before they can even touch the sky. Understanding the sensitivity and seriousness of this issue affecting adolescent girls, AIF launched the Saheli project.
हमारा प्रोग्राम सहेली शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य दोनों के क्षेत्र में एक कम्युनिटी डिजाइन, पब्लिक सिस्टम्स और टेक्नोलॉजी के कन्वर्जेंस पे बना हुआ प्रोग्राम है, जिससे हम बच्चियों को स्कूल में रख सकें, उनकी शिक्षा को और बेहतर बना सकें, ताकि वो आगे जाके एक सशक्त नागरिक के रूप में उभर सकें।
प्रोजेक्ट सहेली इस समय 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में चल रहा है। हम 5 ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट में स्कूल प्लस कम्युनिटीज में अवेयरनेस कर रहे हैं, प्लस वॉश इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं।
इसको एड्रेस करने के लिए हम लोगों ने सहेली में एक कॉम्प्रहेंसिव मॉडल यहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश की है। हमने एक ऐसा फ्रेमवर्क डिज़ाइन किया जिसमें कि एडोलसेंट्स को हम लाइफ स्किल दे सकें, उनको बेसिक हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन के थ्रू एम्पावर कर सकें।
The boot camps organized under the Saheli program are bringing new energy into the lives of these adolescent girls. Through debates and discussions, old social myths and superstitions are challenged, while science and truth take center stage. One of the most important aspects of the boot camp is sexual and reproductive health education. Through interactive sessions, girls learn that the changes happening in their bodies are natural and nothing to be ashamed of.
उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी एजुकेशन दी, मिथ्स एंड टैबूज के बारे में हमें अवेयर करवाया, जो मिसकंसेप्शनल चीजें थी हमें उनके बारे में बताया।
Active in girls are also taught menstrual cycle tracking through calendars and charts, helping them better understand and manage their bodies. Ladli Foundation not only educated girls but also made boys aware about MHM and SRH. This became an important initiative in reducing the bullying and teasing related to periods in co-ed schools.
एक स्टूडेंट इम्पैक्ट क्लब है, इसमें जो 12th के सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको ट्रेन किया गया है लाडली फाउंडेशन के द्वारा। उस इम्पैक्ट क्लब का यही एम है कि हम स्कूल्स में एक भारी इम्पैक्ट ला सकें मेंस्ट्रुएशन और हेल्थ के बारे में।
Under the Saheli program, AIF has developed the country's first AI integrated toilet, Swachhalaya, a remarkable blend of technology and sensitivity. Equipped with advanced smell detection technology, it identifies the presence of ammonia and generates a call to action, ensuring continuous cleanliness and maintenance. An ozone air purifier helps eliminate bacteria present in the air, keeping the toilet hygienic and clean. Understanding the needs of adolescent girls during menstruation, the facility also includes an automatic sanitary pad vending machine and a pad incinerator machine for the safe disposal of used sanitary pads.
हमारे स्कूल में साफ सुथरे वॉशरूम की बहुत ज़रूरत थी। AIF ने हमारी बहुत हेल्प की और हमें क्लीन वॉशरूम प्रोवाइड किया।
To spread awareness about hygiene and health in society, AIF launched the Washathon campaign. This initiative is not only helping people understand the importance of cleanliness, but is also encouraging healthier living practices. Today, these adolescent girls are more aware and conscious about their health. Their absenteeism in schools is decreasing, they are asking questions, and they are moving forward with confidence. Through this initiative, AIF has not only taught them about hygiene and health, but has also given them the confidence to believe that their health, education, and future are just as important as anyone else's. That is the promise of the Saheli program, a better future and a new flight for every girl.